Hello there, friend. It's me, Pastel, and I'm so excited to draw with you today. This week's theme is sweet treats, and to kick that off, we are going to draw this very fun lollipop together. So let's get started. So first, I'll open my special sketchbook to a brand new page, and I want to start off with my blue violet crayon. So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to draw a big round swirl. There we go. It's looking yummy already. So this is the lollipop part. Now let's draw the stick part. And I'm using my orange crayon for this part. So from the bottom of my lollipop, I'm going to go straight down, make a little line across, and then go all the way back up. Now this drawing looks most special with a little bit of color. So let's go ahead and color in our lollipop. I want mine to be pink today. You can choose whatever color you like for your lollipop. And go around and around. Whatever you feel like coloring. You can use more than one color for the lollipop. I've seen those in stores a lot. Sometimes they have rainbow colors. Sometimes they have stripes. So any way you want to color in your lollipop is going to look amazing. Okay, so mine is all pink now. And for my stick, I would like it to be yellow. But again, you choose whatever color you like, because this is your drawing. Okay, now for the very special part. Let's draw our lollipop's wrapper. So for this one, I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to draw a big circle all the way around the outside of my lollipop, and I'm going to stop right here. So on each side, I left a little bit of space between the line and the stick. And here, I'll show you why. Let's make a little curved line down on this side, and a little curved line on that side, and a little wavy line. And there is our lollipop's wrapper. And that's where it's tied. And it made that little ruffle at the bottom. I'm sure you've seen that before. All right, so there it is. There's our beautiful, delicious lollipop. I don't know about you, but I want to eat something like that. How do you feel about yours? Do you like the colors you chose? Do you like how it turned out? I sure hope you do, because I know you worked really hard on it, and I hope you feel proud. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. And until next time, remember to take your creativity everywhere.